this is me. My name is Wnor. You have to make like, okay? Don't forget. So let's open this machine toy. This is name Bunny Rabbit machine, and let's open. Here. And we have the cool one. We're done. Let's get this out. This is for here. Got the money, but it's pink. Get this. And one is getting off. The other one. Ooh. This is mango. Okay. This one. And this is not this is flavor grape, purple grape. But look, there's a bunny rabbit. So cute. So, oh, there's some money over there. And let's check this. Come here. This is watermelon. Okay, let's play this. Oh, there we go. And now we have the last one, is strawberry, but it's different. I think both are the pink, but the one has watermelon on it, and this has strawberry on it. And this is to put on there, okay? We have to take this off. Look at this. We can get the thing on. Look, we can put the juices over there. Okay, close it. Open. So, this is the machine I love, but it's color pink. Look at this, so cool. And the money is gonna get out over there. Okay, let's close it. And let me put this here. And let's put these on. Okay, open this. And this is a flavor. The flavor one is over there. Woohoo! I'm very excited. And this is the watermelon flavor. We're gonna put a beautiful watermelon. Oh, whoa. Cool? We're gonna put it over there. Lid, you have to open, okay? Right there. Okay, get in. And the kind of mango flavor. Look, so yummy. I love mango in my tummy. I ate mango last time. So the mango goes over. Oh, we're gonna put the last flavor. It's strawberry. I like strawberry the best. I wish I have strawberry juice. So over there. Okay. So we are done putting the things. And guys, there's something. There's a lot of monies and look at this beautiful stickers too, but I'm gonna fix it. Look at these. Oh, you can do this too. I love doing like this. Oh, okay. We can leave it for now. look at this. Let's leave the bag. We have a lot of money now. Now there's the last one. Okay, we have like 20, I think, or not 20. So let's put these on there because these are monies. There's one more money over. So let me put these together to make it very nicely. Okay. I'm gonna put the flavor, my favorite strawberry. Look at this. We have to. Where is my bottle? Put it on there, like upside down. So upside down. And look, you have to put the sticker right. Okay. Look at this. Isn't that beautiful? We have to just put it over there. This is a strawberry. And the other thing is again, there's the watermelon. I'm gonna do the watermelon now. I'm so happy. Look at this. You have to stick it here and get the water flavor. Take it off. Look at this. Oh, I love watermelon too. Oh, it's here, not here. Okay. It is gonna be actually good. The watermelon is over the strawberry, but this is a strawberry and this is a watermelon. So the next is the mango, my favorite. Okay, stick it. Yeah, that's great. The mango. And the last one is this. Where are you? Where'd you go? Here. So, look at this mango. We can do anything with this mango juice. So, you know my dog video. Just check all our videos. So cool. You're gonna love our video. Okay. That's the wrong thing. Come on, sticker. Come on, yeah. It's great. So then we put this cute little butcher. So, oh, yeah, boy, I'm very excited. So let's fix all of these. It's gonna be awesome. Okay, that's right. Wait, oh, I forgot to put the sticker. Don't forget the sticker, guys. Okay, no, don't fly away. Like a birdie, fly away like a birdie. I love birdies so much. So, I have a bird, but it's gone. We're gone, sad. But look, we got the. Let's leave it bouncing. Stop bouncing, bottle. Okay, have to do like this, and like this. Look at this, it's matching so perfect. Like this is matching perfect. She have a beautiful dress. She's a bunny, but bunny cannot, you know, over there, not okay. Look at these. This is gonna be so cool. And this is the next sticker. So I'm gonna fix this. How are we gonna fix it? Oh, spray box fixing thing. Yeah, there we go. Look at me. Look at this. Look at you. Look at this. It's matching so perfect. Wow. Stop it. Oh, it's fall. Oh shit. How did this come back? Wow, it's magic. Beautiful magic. Oh, magic. Stupid. I thought I'm gonna leave it over there. Or stand. Don't fly anywhere. Okay. And let's stick this strawberry one. Look at this. Stick it in my hand. But there's no stickers for the money. But this okay. Oh, wait. This is the wrong way. Yeah, this is the wrong way. Wait, you have to make it perfect. Perfect. Yeah. Look at this pretty bottle. I just put the sticker on. It's perfect. Perfect. Over there. Now the strawberry all full. This is lots of juice in it. Okay, and the next bottle of juice, we love I love the green color, and I like the pink color too, blue, dark. Everything is rainbow, but I love rainbow the best. Ooh, sparkle with the rainbow. I will not leave you like this. I think you will run away. So let's take the sticker off. Come on. You have to stick. Yeah, stick perfectly. I can. Look at these. Now stick so good. But this is not real. It's a fake toy. But you cannot eat toys. Sometimes baby eats toy. They don't know anything. Oops. Okay, put these on. Wait. Okay, go help me, Abdurrahman. Come.
What?
Go help me.
Okay. You want me to catch that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's just have a
There's
little
more time.
Come on.
From here.
Oh, it's come. I take a lot of things. Look, I take a lot. Too much. Too much. We have to check this thing. Look, I take 2 of them. How? We have to take 1, not 2. But we have only 1 now. Strawberry juice. It's gonna finish. So, let's try this again. Okay, there's a lot of money. Okay. Oh, this is not for the juice. This. How about we're gonna put the monies over there because to you all of them see it. Okay. Okay, everyone. So we have to put it on this plate and then put it on the machine. Okay. The last one. There we go, everyone. 3. Okay, looks for the camera. Yeah, take. But if we don't have any money, just take it from there. Look, it's worth. But I'm gonna leave it for there. If you want to check our another video, please check our another videos. Will be so amazing. Mwah. But we have to put another one. And please make like, okay? Please. So, this. We got some. Look at this. Super cool. My brothers will play with this. But this is a funny song. What's a funny song, everyone? Yeah.
Oh, we need some juice. What do we do?
Yeah. So we have to do this. Oh, are you hot? So hot you are.
Because I'm thirsty.
Yeah. We need some juice to
Do you
get.
want?
No, I have one. Eat that.
Why?
Because you don't need to. I have one.
Okay.
Or if you want to put it first, you can put it.
Okay. Let's make fitting.
I will help you for something. Did you want this?
And no, this.
This?
What you got? Wow. Let's start. I'm going to drink it.
So please, my turn. You have to take the money. Oh.
Come on, Lily.
I really want strawberry. No, okay, strawberry. Give me this. Yummy.
want some strawberry.
No, you have your
Yes,
own.
you've been stuck.
Okay, everyone, bye
Come on,
bye.
you've gotten stuck, baby.
Please make like.
Yeah, please.
Yeah, you have to make like because.
And don't forget to subscribe and share.
Yeah, sharing is caring.